What's going on? My name is Zay, and I'm here to talk to you about this sling bag right here. Now, I know what you're thinking, nephew. Look, this is not another video trying to sell you something. This is just telling you how it has helped me. I'm not affiliated with this brand right here. You can barely see it. Hold on. I'm not affiliated with this brand. They're not paying me to make this video. Let me get into it. So, here's 3 ways it's helped me. Alright, Editor Zay here. Forgot to mention that the first reason I got it was because we were going to DR and I needed a way to carry my camera around without having my camera bag. Or like you'll hear in a second. Like I got tired of going on hikes and doing things with a camera bag, so I was like, okay, I need something else that would help me in this. So the original reason I got it for DR, but it's actually helped me in more things than that. Back to the video. One, I would notice when I would go hiking, I would bring my book bag, my camera bag. Actually, I did not plan this out with this lighting setup because if I bring the bag down here, you can't see it anymore. So I'm gonna have to hold it like these. The problem occurred for me when I started hiking, and I would go hiking, I would bring my camera, and I have my camera bag. I would hate to bring out my camera, cause to take out my camera out of the camera bag, yes, it has a side pouch. Most of the time, I would have to take the whole thing off, open it from the back, open the bag up, and then like take the camera out. And so there was most of the times where I would go on a hike, or I wouldn't even take the camera out the bag. I would pack it all up, wouldn't even take it out the bag. So I was like, okay, there's got to be something different. There's got to be something new. So I looked into it, what kind of bags, and I saw this sling bag. They have 3 different versions. They have a 3 liter, a 6 liter, and a 9 liter. This is the 6 liter version. It's the inside, not really detailed inside. Maybe I'll add that in there. I'll do that later. Okay. It's helped me with hiking. When I take my camera out, or just like walking around the city, I don't want to have my camera back. It's big enough to hold my camera and the lens, and so I have the FX3 as you see right there. Well, you don't see it, but anyway, I use it on my shoots. So I've seen so many videos of people, and I've seen it in real life, like when I'm on the shoots, where they would be out there on the shoot and they have to run back to get the lens. This bag right here allows me to stay out there shooting the whole time. Like when I'm shooting football, or I'm shooting any kind of sport, any kind of thing like that, I have a lens in here, like, cause I have my camera in hand, and I have my lens in here, I have batteries in here, I have all kind of things, I have water, I can put my tripod on here if I need to. There's so many different things that this bag helps me with to stay active and continuously shooting. One thing about me, I love pockets, right? More pockets for me is more storage for things. You have a pocket here, you have a back pocket here that can hold a laptop. I've never done it, but you can do that if you want to. You have a pocket here. You have a big hole here for the stuff. It also comes with 3 dividers. As you see, I took one of them out so I can put my camera in there. Look how big. This is a big 85. 85 going in. It's in there. Now, I will put my 10 mil in here. Both lenses fit just fine in this bag, and so now I can go shoot with my 24. If I want to change lenses, it's good to go. And the third way this helped me out is for event shoots. Like I said before, I can have my camera set up, and instead of having to run back to go somewhere to change lenses or to do anything like that, I have this bag out. I'm gonna put it over here. I was shooting with some politicians, and this bag allowed me to continuously shoot because I had batteries on hand. I had lenses if I needed change. I did not have to go back to where we staged our equipment as much because I had everything on hand. I didn't miss a moment because of that. I was able to stay shooting, had water, had all these things I needed to continuously shoot throughout the day. And you know, these event shoots, they can be long days. Most of the time you're doing 12-hour days, so you need something like this to keep you going. All right. Those are the 3 reasons why you should look into investing into a sling bag. Not saying you got to get this sling bag, but this sling bag has been with me for a year now, and I've used it on countless shoots, countless things, and it has never failed. People always ask, like, why do you have this? Why do you have that? That's why, because I can stay mobile, have lenses on me. Editor Zay here again for the 2nd time this video. I forgot to give an outro, so thank y'all for watching. This video has helped you. Make sure you leave a like down below and a comment, and if you're going to pick up one of these, let me know, and deuces.